Good morning, children.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am. Ma'am, Devika is in the waiting room.
Yeah, I saw her. Admitted. Today only one period, no children? For us?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay. So, shall we start? Shall we start? Will you turn on your videos? Geetika, Malavika, Arun, Sanega, Devika and all of you? Ameya? Okay. So, now we are starting our new constructions. So first two things we did, right? Perpendicular through a point on the line
Yes,
and
ma'am.
perpendicular through a point not on the line.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll give one question to you. Okay. So starting, I'll give one question. First question.
Ma'am,
Draw
today
a
we
line. Yes.
Ma'am,
Right. You have to do this. Draw any line segment. Line segment PQ. Any line segment PQ. Line segment PQ. Take any point. Take any point. Take any point. R. Not on it. Not on it. Not on it. Through R. Through R. Through R. Draw perpendicular to.
Ma'am, I'm late to the class.
This is the starting. Perpendicular to PQ. Perpendicular to PQ. Okay.
Ma'am, we did this question.
See, look at the question properly. Take any point R not on it. Means?
Ma'am, from the up.
Draw any line segment. PQ.
Ma'am, perpendicular to a line through a point not on it.
Perpendicular to a line through
Through a
R.
point not on it.
Not on it, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Did we do the same question?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am. We did this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now you change it. I'll give AB of length 8 centimeter. Now, okay. Not maybe the same question. A point R on the line we have done.
No, ma'am, we done the
Ma'am.
other question also.
did
Not
the other
on it
question,
also we
ma'am.
did.
Okay, no problem.
Ma'am, it is draw perpendicular to AB.
Perpendicular to AB. Okay, children, finish?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Ma'am, finished.
Okay. Savio? Yawning? Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Finish.
Finish, all of you. Vrisa?
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Shravana?
Yes, ma'am.
Namasya?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Huh?
Yes, ma'am.
So we'll do the next one. Amida, are you still drawing?
Finish, ma'am.
Okay. So next one is a very important question. Okay. This question we need for your higher classes also, even in 10th standard. Okay. So next, third one is construction of a perpendicular bisector. Construction of a perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular bisector to a given line segment. Construction of a perpendicular line to a given line segment. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So there is some difference between the perpendicular bisector and simply perpendicular. Okay, children. Now look, all of you look at here. Stop drawing. Listen to me. Hello, children.
Hello,
Are
ma'am.
you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Suppose I have a 8 centimeter line segment. AB. 8 centimeter line segment AB. So, according to the point we are giving, this point, this point, this point, this point, this point, I can draw different perpendiculars. Clear? These all are perpendicular. What is the speciality of a perpendicular?
Crosses from
At 90 degree. Here, everywhere it is 90 degree. Okay. So I can draw perpendiculars. Many perpendiculars we can draw. Many perpendiculars. If AB equal to 8 centimeter, I can draw many perpendiculars. Here I can draw one perpendicular 90 degree, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Here also I can draw a perpendicular. Everywhere we can draw perpendiculars. Okay. So perpendicular is the line. Perpendicular means it should be, oh my God.
90 degree.
It should be 90 degree. Okay. Perpendicular means it should be 90 degree. But perpendicular bisector means this has a speciality. Bisector means bisect. Meaning of bisect. Bisect means dividing into two equal halves. Two equal halves. This is known as perpendicular. Bisect means dividing a line segment into two equal parts. Now, 8 centimeter is our line segment, and we can draw many perpendiculars. Are you listening? Don't write now. But perpendicular, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Perpendicular is the line which is 90 degree, as well as when we draw that perpendicular, when we draw that perpendicular, it will bisect the line into two equal halves. That means 4 centimeter here and 4 centimeter here. This point, through this point, when the line passes through the line, when this perpendicular passes through the line, that line divides the AB into two equal parts. Clear? That is known as perpendicular bisector. Clear,
Okay,
children?
ma'am.
So,
Okay, ma'am.
perpendicular means 90 degree. Bisector means, what is
Dividing
the
two equal
bisector?
halves.
Dividing into two equal parts. So, what do you mean by perpendicular bisector?
We
Ma'am, a
draw a
perpendicular that
perpendicular line
divides the
on
line segment into two equal
Equal
parts.
So, it is 90 degree as well as it divides the line segment into two equal parts. So, two properties we have to satisfy. One, it should be 90 degree, but it divides the line into two equal parts. Okay, children. So, this is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular, this is a perpendicular. These all are perpendiculars. But which is the perpendicular bisector? PQ is the perpendicular bisector. Clear, children? Which pass through the middle, of the line, that is known as perpendicular bisector. Clear? So, PQ is the, in this, PQ is the perpendicular bisector of AB. Perpendicular bisector of AB. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
So, perpendicular bisector means which passes through the middle, and it should be 90 degree also. The perpendicular which passes through the middle of the line. Correct the midpoint of the line. Midpoint, you understood? Midpoint.
Yes,
Midpoint means middle point. Okay, will you write this? Just draw a rough sketch. Afterwards, we'll do the construction.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, this one. Okay.
Ma'am, can you show the heading?
Heading is this.
Ma'am, ma'am, bisector spelling is
CTOR.
Okay, ma'am.
All these are 90 degrees. All these are perpendiculars, but PQ is the perpendicular bisector. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Shall we
Yes,
draw?
ma'am.
Shall we
No,
draw?
ma'am. 1 minute.
1 minute.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, you told today
Oh.
you will check the drawing.
Today, after this, if I get time, I will check. Okay. Okay. So, we will draw the perpendicular bisector line segment. Okay, children. So, let me take my tools. So, don't draw now. You listen to it, understand it properly, then start drawing. Okay. So, I have a line segment. It's AB 10 centimeter. So, AB equal to 10 centimeter. Now, children, I am going to draw the perpendicular bisector to this. Okay, children. Here it is points to points. Line segment. Don't make a big round over it. Just put a point so that you can understand where to keep the compasses. Clear? Okay, children. Now we'll take the compass and listen, listen, listen. Listen, don't draw now. 1 second.
Ma'am.
Ma'am.
Your video is stuck.
Okay. Okay, children. So that line segment has gone. 1 second. So first of all, let me draw the line segment PQ equal to 10 centimeter or AB equal to 10 centimeter. We have to draw a perpendicular bisector to this line. Clear? Clear. So I have put a point over there, point, 2 points. Then okay. Let me take the compass. It is very easy, children. Just listen to me. Okay. So take the compass and children, when you take the, you have to keep the compass tip at A. Don't take it now. Listen to me. Don't take it now. So when you take the compass and take the measurement for drawing the arc, if the line segment is 10 centimeter, What is its half? Tens half.
5 centimeter.
5 centimeter.
So when you take the measurement, you should take more than 5. More than 5. Clear? More than half. More than half. Otherwise, there will be one problem. That I will show you. See, children? So more than half. More than half. That means should spread. The compass you should spread properly and turn the compass and draw an arc on the top. Here. Clear? And don't move the compass. The same measurement. You have to move the compass down and cut an arc, draw an arc down also. Did you understand, children?
Yes,
Up
Yes, ma'am.
from A itself, up and down. A itself, up and down. Clear?
yes, ma'am.
Okay. Again, we have to move the compass and do the same procedure, keeping the tip at B. Clear?
Yes,
Clear? So, the same procedure, up and down. Okay, the same procedure, same measurement. Don't spread the compass, don't move the compass. So, when you draw the second point, you have to cut the previous arc. Okay. So, shall I explain it once again? First of all, keep the tip at A. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Keep the tip at A. Then move the compass and draw an arc up. Then move the compass down, draw an arc down also. Up and down. Clear? From A. From one end. And again, you have to move the compass to B. And do the same procedure and cut the previous arc. Here. And move the compass here. Here also. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Here. Now, take the scale. Okay. You have your scale with you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good. Okay. So, through this, we have to draw the line. Okay, children?
For this.
Yes. Did you understand? Did you understand? So
Yes,
this is the perpendicular bisector. Just clearly passes through the middle. You can, after drawing, you can measure and see whether it is 5 centimeter or 5 centimeter. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Will you draw it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, draw.
Question is not the.
No. You just, this is just a model. Sixth.
Ma'am, finish.
Finish drawing. 1 second. Okay, children. I'm taking the attendance now. Today is 9/2/21.
Yes, ma'am. Finished.
Okay, 1 second. I'm taking the attendance. Abhyuday, Savio.
Ma'am, I finished writing.
1 second. Sian, Emilijo, Rissa, Geetika, Devika,
Finish, ma'am.
yes. 1 second. Anthony, Aaron Anthony. Then Abhinav came, Abhinav Sajan.
No, ma'am.
Nihal,
Yes, ma'am.
Nihal came.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Malavika Bini. Malavika Bini. Sri Rudra. Yes. Namasya.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Yes. Then, please, could you please tell who is absent today? Let me read. Abhinav Sajan.
Ma'am, he is absent.
Okay. Ananya Jindo.
Absent, ma'am.
Okay. Arjun Krishna.
Absent.
Oh, lot of absentees. Adul Ayal, absent. Ayan Mohammed.
Absent.
Ayan Mohammed is absent. Ayush Tej. You can note down the absentee's name, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Ayush Tej.
Present, ma'am.
Ma'am, present.
Devaganga.
Ma'am, she's absent.
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 Devika all came. Harriet.
Ma'am, absent.
Haya absent. Ismail Suhim.
Absent.
I'll send a message today. Kanishk.
Absent.
Absent.
What happened to them? Smriti present. Shravana present. Vinay Garyan.
Absent.
Absent. So we are taking important things and they are absent.
Ma'am, Shravana is not present.
Yes. I saw her. She was there.
Shravana is present.
She was there. I saw. Okay, children. Now we will move to the next question. Will you do?
Yes,
ma'am.
Question is, first question is, draw a line segment. Draw a line segment of length 9.5 centimeter and constructed perpendicular bisector.
Ma'am, we have to do now or
Yeah, now. It is time to wind up now. Will you do it then?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, children, shall I wind up the
Ma'am.
class?
Yes,
Shall I
Okay,
wind
ma'am.
up? And,
Okay, ma'am.
Ma'am, 1 minute.
and
Ma'am,
Thursday, I will give the
Ma'am, can you show that question? 1 minute.
Thursday, I will give the homeworks to you. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
So after finish. Yes? Ananya? Ananya Vijesh is present, right? I know.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, finished.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, the lessons for exam is algebra, mensuration, then arrangement.
Wait. Why you are thinking about that now? Do one thing. If you want to study earlier, to finish your studies, do one thing. You study in the reverse order. Means, now it is practical geometry we are taking, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Before that?
Ratio and proportion.
Before that?
Mensuration.
So, if we want to study, you study in that order.
Okay, ma'am.
Whatever we have taken this after this MCQ, you study those chapters well. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, children. And timetable portions I'll send
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
later when we get any information. Okay, children.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you,
Thank you,
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, children.